This recipe is on how to cook Efo Gbagba or Efo Igbo using the second method. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel or like my page, like my video. These are the leaves, they've been removed from the stalk and I'll be slicing them. So if you would want to have access to the first method on how to cook Efo Igbo, simply Google the onlinecook.com where you'll find over 50 recipes and how to cook Efo Gbagba. The first method is there. Now I'll pour some potash into a big bowl, after which I'll also add some hot water to quickly dissolve the potash. Efo Gbagba is quite tough. It's tougher than most leafy green vegetables. That is why this method is sometimes used, although it is not compulsory. But if you like to use this, you can use this. I just pour all the sliced leaves into the hot water with potash. I'll be mixing everything well properly and then I'll allow it to sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube, theonlinecook.com. Thank you very much in advance. And of course, check out my blog, theonlinecook.com. So now I'll be draining the potash water from the leaves. I'll be separating it from the leaves. This is necessary because, of course, leaving the potash water in the leaves before cooking is going to spoil the taste. It won't give you that taste that you want. Next, I will still be rinsing these leaves with fresh clean water to get rid of most of the traces of the potash, after which I will drain it again. Yes, I'll drain it again. So after draining it, I'll set the leaves aside and move on to show you the other ingredients, which are tomatoes, bell peppers, cayenne pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, of course, my onions. Yes. Now I'll pour some palm oil into my pot and let it heat up briefly, after which I'll add my Riro or locust beans. Then I'll mix it up just briefly and pour in my blended peppers. Yeah, they've all been blended, that's it. I'll also be adding some salt, some chicken seasoning, but okay, yeah, crayfish powder first. I don't want to be too fast here. Now that is the chicken seasoning and stockfish. I'll mix all of this up properly. Then I'll add my cleaned more. Yes, don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well, and also add my fishes. They've all been cleaned. I'll mix this gently, stir it gently, and then I'll cover the pot and cook it for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is what the sauce looks like, yeah, but we're not done yet. So I'll take out the fishes, put the fishes in a separate bowl. This is so that my fishes don't crumble in my soup. I don't want to have a bony soup. Now I'll pour in my grinded egusi, yes, and I'll mix all of it up properly first. So by the way, this is really thick, so I'm just going to be adding a little bit of water. I'll mix it properly again because of course I added water, and then I'll cover it and cook it for about 10 minutes. Yes, don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, subscribe, follow me. Yes, so after 10 minutes, this is what we have here. You can see that it looks a little bit burnt. This is how egusi usually looks. That's why you have to like mix egusi, mix, and because of the mixing, that was why I had to take out the fishes, because egusi has a penchant of sticking to the bottom of the pot unless you mix it up properly. Now I'll add my vegetables. Yeah, I don't like using too much vegetables for this recipe, so I'll add my vegetables, mix again. Another reason why I took out the vegetables, the fishes rather, another reason why I took out the fishes. Don't forget to like this video. Now I'll add my fishes. Yeah, I've done most of the mixing, so there's no fear that the fishes are going to crumble. I'll add my fishes now and gently stir. That's the word, gently stir. Okay, so after doing this, I'm just going to simply cover my pot and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Remember, the vegetables have been pre-cooked already, and this is what my Efo Gbagba Egusi looks like. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. You know, it's wonderful. And remember, good food should be enjoyed always. Till next time I come your way with another recipe. Bye.